Hello everyone! So this is my Walgreens haul for this week, June 6 to June 12 of 2021 Walgreens deal. So I did 3 transactions in order to lower my out-of-pocket. So in the first transactions, I used the $4 store coupon that I got last week from the P&G deal. So the Palmolive dish liquid, the 591 ml is buy 2 and you will get $2 Walgreens cash reward. And it's on sale for $2.49. So I picked the lavender and the oxy scent. And this is my receipt in my first transaction. So it's $2.49 and the two are $4.98. Then I used the $4 store coupon. So after deducting the store coupon to the amount, I paid 98 cents for 2. And then I got my $2 Walgreens cash reward. So my opening balance is $2.30. Then after adding the Walgreens cash reward that I earned, my closing balance is $4.30. And then in my second transaction, I combine the Digital Booster, the spend 10 and get $4 Walgreens cash reward with the spend 25 and get $7 Walgreens cash reward paper booster. So I did the deal in the Tide liquid and Tide Pods. So it's buy 4 and get $6 register reward. And then I did also the deal in the Irish Spring body wash. So it's 3 for 10 and when you buy 3, you will get $5 Walgreens cash reward. So in my buy 4 and get $6 register reward, I picked the Tide Febreze. And then the other one is Tide Febreze also with Botanical Rain. This is 37 ounce. And they are on sale for $4.99. And then the Tide Pod is part also of the buy 4. So this is $4.99 also. The 16 count and the 12 count. Other one is with Downy. So this is my note in the buy 4 and get $6 register reward. So the 2 Tide liquid are $9.98 and then the Tide Pods, the 2 Tide Pods are $9.98. My soft total are $19.96. I used 2 of Tide liquid manufacturing coupon. The other one is printable coupon from P&G website and the other one is the insert from May 30 P&G. And then I used $2 Tide Pods manufacturing coupon from May 30 P&G insert. So I paid $11.96 and then I got $6 register reward, making it $5.96 for 4 or $1.49 each. And then I did also the deal in the Irish Spring body wash. So it's 3 for 10 and when you buy 3, you will get $5 Walgreens cash reward. And there is $2 digital coupon in Walgreens app. So I picked the Moisture Blast and 2 5-in-1 Irish Spring body wash. And this is the new bottle of the Irish Spring. And this is my note in the Irish Spring body wash. So it's 3 for 10 and then I used the $2 digital coupon. I paid $8 and then I got $5 Walgreens cash reward, making it $3 for 3 or $1 each. So this is my receipt in my second transaction. So everything went smoothly. And here, my paper booster, the spend 25 and get $7 Walgreens cash reward. All the coupon for Tide came out and also the digital coupon for Irish Spring. So I paid $19.96 in my second transaction. But I got total of $16.29. I got my $5 Walgreens cash reward in the Irish Spring. And then I got my 7 Walgreens cash reward in the paper booster, the spend 25, and then I got my $4 Walgreens cash reward in the digital booster, the spend 10 and get $4 Walgreens cash reward. So in my second transaction, it's free because I paid $19.96 and then I earned total of $22 including the $6 register reward from the buy 4 deal that I used in my last transaction, plus $2.04 money maker in the second transaction. So in my last transaction, I used my other card and I just simply get those items that I really want and use my Walgreens cash reward. So I picked the storage bag because we're out of the sandwich bag also, and then I pick also the Purex, and then my $3 digital coupon for the big Purex did not came out, but I already called the customer service and she gave me $3 Walgreens cash reward. So it's the same thing in the Irish Spring. So I paid $8 after the $2 digital coupon. Then I got my $5 Walgreens cash reward, making it $3 for $3 or $1 each. And then I bought 4 Palmolive dish liquid. So it's on sale for $2.49, and the deal is buy 2 and you will get $2 Walgreens cash reward. So there is no limit if the deal is Walgreens cash reward. You can do it in one transaction, you can do it multiple. So I bought 4. So the 4 Palmolive are $9.96, and then I got $4 Walgreens cash reward for buying 4, making it $5.96 for 4 Palmolive dish liquid or $1.49. And then the other things that I got is the Big Soleil. So this is on sale for $5.99, and there is $5 digital coupon for the Big Soleil. So after using the $5 digital coupon, I paid 99 cents for the Big Soleil. And then the 50 count storage bag. So this is 6.5 inches by 5.86 inches. It's buy 1, get 2 free, and it's priced for $2.79. Making it 93 cents each. So it's not a bad deal for the storage bag. Especially this is 50 bags. So there's other sandwich bag that count 20 bags. And same price also, $2.79. And then the 20 bags, and this is 10.5 inches by 10.75 inches, is buy 1 get 2 free also, and it ring $2.79, making it 93 cents each. So in this store, it's been tagged for $2.99, but when I paid it, the receipt showed it's $2.79. And then I got also the Purex. So the Purex is on sale for $1.99. So this is 38 load. So I bought 2 of 50 ounce for $1.99, and I use printable coupon that I print out in the website, and I will pop up in the screen which website I print out the coupon. So it's $1.99, and after deducting the $1 printable coupon, I paid 99 cents each Purex. And then this big Purex 115 load is on sale for $7.99. And there is $3 digital coupon that attached in this Purex. So, making it $4.99. So, this is my receipt. So, that is the storage bag. Buy one, get two free. It ran $2.79 each. And the two are free. And then the Purex is $1.99. The 50 ounce. And then the big one is $7.99. The Palmolive is $2.49. So the lavender, the two are $4.98. And the two Oxy are $4.98. The Big Soleil is $5.99. And here the soft body wash is 3 for $10. And then I use my remaining $4 store coupon. So the two $1 Purex printable coupon came out. The digital coupon for the Big Soleil came out also. The digital coupon for the soft body wash. And then I used $3 register reward that I got last week. And then the $6 register reward that I got from the Tide deal, the buy 4 get $6 register reward. So my $3 digital coupon for Tide did not came off, but the customer service already gave me $3 Walgreens cash reward in exchange of the digital coupon. So here my total including the tax are $22.79. I redeemed $20 Walgreens cash reward. And after redeeming $20 Walgreens cash reward, I only paid $2.79. And then I got total of $9.19. So I got $5 Walgreens cash reward for buying the soap body wash and $4 for buying the Palmolive dish liquid. So it's times 2. So my closing balance is $12.17 plus the $3 that the customer service gave. So my closing balance is $15.17. So I'm so happy to what I got in Walgreens, even though it's not a money maker, but I just use my Walgreens cash reward and I save a lot, especially for the items that I really love to use. I really love and I really like to use. And then I got this spend booster, spend $35 and get $8 Walgreens cash reward. I still have my spend $35 and get $5 Walgreens cash reward in my account, and I can pair it with the paper booster if I still have energy to do a second haul in Walgreens. So thank you so much guys for watching and have a blessed day everyone.